It's super strange to be able to just kind of put a dent in glass. Wow, look at that. That is so cool. So I have successfully welded that glass together. It's really cool because this was once broken glass. The bits over here, you know, are sharp edges, and so I could accidentally cut myself if I rubbed my finger on it too hard. But over here where it's welded, it's been rounded out, so it feels really cool. That is so awesome.